Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever used an AI image generator and struggled to get it to create the exact scene you have in your head? You want a specific person, in a specific pose, holding a specific object, but the AI just doesn't quite get it. Well, researchers have just introduced a new framework called Canvas to Image that aims to solve this exact problem. The core idea is to consolidate all your different instructions into a single visual canvas. Instead of just typing a text prompt, you can visually lay out your entire scene like a collage. For example, you can take a picture of a person and literally paste their cutout onto the canvas where you want them to be. Want them in a specific pose? You can overlay a pose skeleton, like a stick figure, to guide their body position. You can even draw bounding boxes and label them to tell the AI, put a parasol here, or put a hat on the person. All these different controls are combined into one single input image that the AI is trained to understand. What's truly clever is how it was trained. The AI was shown how to handle these controls one at a time, like only poses or only layouts. But during this process, it learned to generalize so well that it can now handle a mix of all these controls at once, even if it never saw that specific combination during training. And the results are pretty stunning. When we look at comparisons for composing scenes with specific people and specific poses, Canvas to Image is far more accurate than other leading models. It faithfully maintains the person's identity and matches the target pose almost perfectly, whereas other models either lose the person's likeness or fail to follow the pose. The same holds true when following spatial layouts defined by bounding boxes. But the real test is when you combine everything, a reference person, a specific pose, and a layout with other objects. As you can see here, Canvas to Image successfully handles all these simultaneous instructions, creating a cohesive image that matches the user's complex intent. The other models often fail, ignoring the pose, the layout, or the person's identity. So, let's recap the key breakthroughs here. First, a unified canvas lets users visually combine multiple types of controls, making it much more intuitive to express a complex idea. Second, the model can generalize from single-task training to handle complex, multi-control scenarios, which is a very efficient way to learn. This technology could be a huge step forward for creative professionals. Imagine artists or designers having this level of precise control over their AI-generated visuals. It moves AI art from a game of chance to a tool of precise execution. That's all for this episode of Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.